Cancer is one of the leading causes of death globally. Each year, nearly 10 million people die as a result of cancer and cancer-related morbidities. Although cancer treatment has progressed significantly over the past several decades, there are still unmet needs, urging development of new cancer therapies that improve patients' life quality and ultimately survivability. Pure Biologics is committed to improving the outcomes and lives of patients living with diverse forms of cancer. The company is leveraging biological mechanisms to develop solutions for patients suffering colorectal, non-small cell lung, and triple-negative breast cancers. Cancer cells actively evade a patient's immune responses by a phenomenon known as immunosuppression. Engaging and redirecting a patient's own immune system to recognize and attack cancer cells despite immunosuppression is referred to as immuno-oncology, the cornerstone of Pure Biologics projects. In Pure Biologics' most advanced project, PB001, the goal is to develop a potent bispecific antibody that recognizes and binds two target proteins important for anti-cancer mechanisms in the human body. By engaging these two proteins, the bispecific antibody is meant to overcome the immunosuppressive action of the cancer and at the same time to attract numerous immune cells to the tumor microenvironment. The first target protein, a receptor present on the surface of lymphocytes, is known as TIM3 and is one of the key targets for tumor-induced immunosuppression. Studies have demonstrated that blocking the interaction of TIM3 with tumor-secreted proteins restores the normal activity of various lymphocytes. A second target of the bispecific antibody is one of several proteins being explored by Pure Biologics, a cell surface molecule overexpressed in colorectal cancer. Its targeting is hypothesized to enhance the recruitment of immune cells to the tumor microenvironment, where, in greater numbers, they can more effectively fight the cancer. Another immuno-oncology project, PB003, focuses on delivering an efficient therapeutic solution for patients struggling with non-small cell lung cancer. Here, Pure Biologics is developing antibodies equipped with a ligand that interacts with immune cell receptors. This antibody is designed to bring NK cells in close proximity to tumor cells. It also activates NK cells to more efficiently fight the cancer. The dual mechanism of action achieved by coupling the antibody and the ligand will enable simultaneous fine-tuning of immune system elements. Immune response orchestrating regulatory T lymphocytes and dendritic cells will be engaged by the antibody, which targets a receptor known as GARP, present on their cell surfaces. GARP is also expressed on non-small cell lung cancer cells, where it acts as part of the transforming growth factor beta-1 pathway, which is utilized by malicious cells to avoid destruction by the immune system. In parallel, the immune ligand, fused to the antibody, will engage a receptor known as NKG2D, which activates the natural killer cells. PB004, the third project in the Pure Biologics Immuno-oncology portfolio, aims to deliver a novel therapeutic solution for patients suffering from triple-negative breast cancer. The bispecific antibody under development, known as bispecific killer cell engager, is designed to simultaneously recognize cancer surface markers, as well as to activate natural killer cells via their cell surface receptors. One antibody arm will bind to and block a specific tumor marker, such as ROR or frizzled, which are involved in cancer signaling pathways. The second arm, binding to and activating the CD16A receptor, will be used to activate natural killer immune cells. Due to this dual activity, the bispecific killer engager will downregulate the activity of cancer cells and simultaneously turn on natural killer cell cytotoxicity, enabling the immune system to actively fight tumors. In addition to PB001, 003 and 004, Pure Biologics is working on new discovery projects, forging its path to become a leader in the discovery of multi-format antibody-based therapeutics in the immuno-oncology field. Therapeutic solutions developed in Pure Biologics' immune therapy program will provide a new treatment option for patients with various cancers, hopefully providing a better chance for recovery and increased survival compared to current standards of care. Pure Biologics, harnessing the power of antibodies to improve patients' lives.